Hi guys, today we are going to have a little bit closer look at this digital LED alarm clock here. The model type is TX-5 and this is the white edition. So let's open and see what we get. Comes with this user manual, but I'm going to explain a lot of it anyway. Then the power supply USB comes also with a power brick, but we can use any kind of standard USB. And here's the clock, nicely protected. Can see really nice one, but the really interesting thing, of course, is the LED, which I'm going to show you in detail. You can also see that it comes with this soft rubber feet, so it has a safe stand, doesn't scratch anything. Comes with these large buttons, very easy to operate even when it's dark. And we cannot only use the USB as an input, we can also use this standard USB-A output as a charging port, so you can charge your phone overnight. Then it comes already with some batteries inserted, so you don't have to be worried about the power outage. So unfortunately, no excuse from this device if you're running late in the morning. And so I've plugged it in and you can see how beautiful this is. You can see here that it only consumes very few power, so you can run it easily for 1 or 2 days from a power bank if you want. And first, of course, it's important to set the right time. We click for 2 seconds, then we can adjust the hours with this plus and minus. We can adjust the minutes, we can adjust the year and the months and the day. If we want to adjust the alarm, we press for 2 seconds here. Then we can adjust the hours, press again, we can adjust the minutes, press again, and now we can choose if we want to set the alarm for the whole week or just for the workdays or just for the weekend. And we can also choose between the 12-hour and 24-hour system. Here it's showing 15:35. When we click here, it switches to 3 p.m. And now I've turned down the light a little bit so we can see the bottom light a little bit better. We can turn it on here just with this push. We can adjust the brightness so we can dim it down a lot if you want. Pretty much to nothing, just a little bit here. But you can also make it really bright. And the light has a lot of different colors. I think there are 7 different colors available. And they do not only have the same light, we have also some automatic color changing light. There is some breathing light, some really awesome lighting possibilities. Watch this thing here, absolutely fantastic. And in the TX-5 model, we can also change the colors of the main display. When you push it down here, you can see, I think there are 8 different possibilities, and there are not only single colors, there are also some color changing, some automatic color changing options available. Here it's multicolor, and you can see it's changing over time. Before it was quite different, and now it's changing the whole time a little bit, but very smoothly, really nice. Also this one here, so many different patterns, and we cannot only change the color, we can also change the brightness here on the right side. Very easy directly. You can see you can really fully dim, so there's nothing to see. We could also dim this fully here, so there's absolutely nothing. But if you want to see it just a little bit and don't get disturbed during the sleep, you could use this thing here or make it even brighter, absolutely seamless. So you can see, make it even very bright if you need that during the day. What's also pretty unique is that we can adjust the snooze time. We press for 2 seconds here, and then we can adjust down or up the snooze time. And to turn on or off the alarm is very easy. We just hit this button, then it's confirming the time and the days. To turn it off, we hit it again. We can also adjust the volume of the alarm. We hit this button for 2 seconds. The lowest is 55 decibels. We can also increase it to 65, 75 or even more. I think the maximum is 95. I'm not going to show you that because it is super loud, I can tell you. When we hit the button again, we can adjust the bottom light, which will be shown together with the alarm. So either we turn the bottom light on or off. And when the alarm sounds in the morning, you can use any of these 6 buttons here to stop it fully, and then it will sound again 24 hours later, or depending on your settings. If you want to snooze it for a given time, you have to use this button here. So it's an absolutely awesome thing. They did everything right. There is nothing missing. Absolutely perfect, beautiful, as good as it gets. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.